But before I share information regarding the different planes of existence and its varied and multiple levels and layers of reality, I would like to say that the local universes, what science calls the multiverse system, are universes that are experiments in time and space. These are known as the lower vibrating spheres of an entire spectrum of light that typically divides into three planes of reality: celestial, etheric, material. So the local universes are the final extension of this involutionary process that began in the highest frequencies of pure energy vibration, which are considered also the celestial planes. And the celestial planes are spheres that have always existed beyond time and space and always will exist. That is where energy is concentrated at its most purest frequency. Now, you could say that the etheric spheres are a step down frequency or vibration of the already existing celestial spheres. So the etheric spheres are extensions of something that have already existed. So it's basically this pure energy vibration deciding to lower its frequency so that it could expand out into the into the infinite void, and so the first thing that does is it divides itself into the etheric spheres, or eventuates into the etheric spheres, because even the etheric spheres are eternal by virtue of being the offspring of the higher celestial spheres that are that are pretty much energies vibrating at the highest frequencies. So the 73% of the dark matter in our galaxy pertains to the etheric region that extends from the 23% of the celestial spheres, which is energy vibrating at its highest frequency. And so even the dark matter comes from the dark energy. See, the dark energy is really what really ultimately existed before the formation or extension of any planes of reality, when everything was in its state of unqualified absoluteness. It was just pure energy vibration. And then from that energy, dark energy, light decided to descend in this process of involution, creating or extending into the etheric realms. And then the etheric realms also divide into different levels and sub-levels of reality. So there's different dimensions within the etheric realms of what scientists call dark matter. And that comprises about 94% of our existence. Now, the other 4% in which we belong to is something that extended from something that has already existed, which extended from something that has already existed. So in this sense, if you guys are following me in the idea that the stellar beings are the offspring of the galactic beings at the center of the galaxy, who in turn are the offspring of the local universe beings, who embody dimensions from 12 to 24, who in turn are the offspring of these higher beings that occupy most of the regions of dark matter as we get closer to the regions of dark energy.